DIY with Donna video is on cleaning out and sprucing up the laundry room. As you can see, there are baskets of clothes and you can barely open the garage door. On the top of the washer or the dryer, there's a detergent spill, and there are brooms and mops scattered about. So my first step is to clear out the room so that we have some space to work with. Will is taking off the back so the dryer can fit out the door. Then survey the walls, which definitely need some painting. There's a lot of scuff marks all over the wall. So next I want to prepare the room for painting. I'm going to get some plastic to put around the floor, also cover, whatever's in there. In this case, it's the washing machine. Take out the vents and also light switches in order to paint. And then I'm going to, go over the wall, because there's dust needs to be removed from the wall so it won't mess up the painting. So fortunately, we had some paint that we hadn't used, which was the same color, antique white. It's important to stir it up. As you can see, the gloss is on top, so you want to make sure it's all stirred up before you start painting. Here I'm starting my paint at the baseboard. I think that's where those baskets of clothes have been stored over there and ruined the bottom of the wall, but my baseboard and wall are the same color. Then I move on to the wall, just kind of painting around the vent area. So I was able to get all 4 walls completed. And as you can see at the bottom, I had painter's tape to make sure it didn't get on the floor. But once everything, the whole room took about three hours to paint on and off. So it looks much better than it did before. So we'll move on to the next step. So we utilized the same shelf that we had, and that was put back up with things that should belong in the laundry room: detergent, my paper towels, some baskets that I might use later, bleach, and some more detergent. But it is much more organized than it was before. I also had a little shelf that had some bounce and some sponges and things, and I could slip that on the side of the washing machine. Here is what I liked the best, was the broom and mop hanger, and the plastic behind it is good because if you sweep, the walls won't get dirty again. So, drum roll please. Now it's time for the big reveal. We have the carpet on the floor, so when you come in, you can wipe your feet off. I put a sign up there, the laundry room. Again, everything on the shelf is nice and clean and organized. The washer and dryer are cleaned off at the top, no more spills of laundry. A nice little small wheeled shelf that can hold some small items. Again, the broom, mop, and dustpan holder and are behind the door. And then just one more time around the room. And this is the new and improved laundry room. This is DIY with Donna. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time.